CRZ authority's term has come to an end on 31st of October 2022. That authority has to be constituted by the central government. So the High Court has directed that that has to be constituted at the earliest, and once that authority is constituted, that authority should decide about the legality of the structure in the neighboring property. So that is the second direction that is given. Further, the High Court has given a general directions insofar as entire coastal belt is concerned, to say that the police as well as the panchayats shall be very vigilant, and they will take all actions to preempt all type of illegal constructions or activities during this peak tourism season. So that is a strict order that has been passed by the High Court. That will be applicable to the entire Goa, because according to the High Court, this is the time where all these activities start, and by the time the action is taken, the tourist season come to an end and the whole thing becomes infructuous.